Oh god! No! I get the win. Okay, let's take a few seconds. Okay, let's take a few seconds, I swear! I would take that call. Dude, they're about to have an epic battle for real. Look at them. They're gonna duel. No. Let them fight themselves. Don't do me. Okay. Dude, it's been like 5 minutes, I've gotten 6 stuns on you. I have 13% like health, mind you. Get out of here! Get your ass out of here! I think I'm trying to like make him angry. Percent of my health. I dodged the fucking charge. Ah, you bitch! No. I will survive. You can't kill me. I will survive. You can't stop me. Matter of fact, I'll run away even faster. You know why? I did it. I live.
He wasn't expecting that one. Oh shit.